Hi there, this is VIPS TV. Today we're going to study about seasons. Okay, usually in many countries and places there are 4 seasons, but in other places they don't have 4 seasons like that. They have rainy season and dry season. So let's study with me. The first one, spring. Spring. This is not easy. So spring, spring. This one, summer, very easy. Fall and autumn. In American English, people use fall, and British English people use autumn. So anything is okay. So we say fall, autumn. This one, winter. Again, spring. Summer. Fall. Autumn. Winter. And remember this T here, we stress in the first syllable, win. So for the T that is not stressed, we can say the. Sub D in American English, so we can say the winter. Now this is season. We have rainy season. That means during that season it rains a lot. Rainy season, or instead of saying rainy season, we can say the word monsoon season. Again, rainy. Remember this rainy season. Monsoon season. And we have dry. Remember DR, the consonant cluster. Dry season. Spring. Summer. Fall. Autumn. Winter. Season. Rainy season. Monsoon season. Dry season. Let's go to some questions and answers. What season do you like, or what's your favorite season? I like fall, or my favorite season is fall. Anything is okay. What season do you like? I like fall. Number 2, what do you like doing in the winter? Like in each season there are a lot of free time activities that you can take part in. For example, in the summer you can go swimming, scuba diving, snorkeling. But in the winter you can go skiing or ice skating, something like that. So we have, I like skiing in the winter. I like skiing in the winter, or I like to go skiing in the winter. What do you like doing in the winter? I like skiing in the winter. Do you like monsoon season? Or you can say, do you like rainy season? Yes, I do. Because the weather, remember the TH here, weather is cool. Some of my students said this is cool. Sorry, this is cool. And comfortable. Remember this, comfortable. A lot of my students said this is comfortable or comfortable. No, this is comfortable. This is table in chair, but this one is comfortable. Okay, different pronunciation. Comfortable. During the monsoon. Yes, I do, because the weather is cool and comfortable during the monsoon. Or if you don't like it, you can say, no, I hate it. It's so inconvenient. if you want to go out. You know, like in the monsoon, it rains a lot. So if you want to go out, you have to wear the raincoat, or you can get wet or something like that. So it is kind of inconvenient, right? So we say, no, I hate it. It's so inconvenient. If you want to go out. If you want to go out. What season is it? Is it in your city now? What season is it in your city now? It's dry season in my city now. Or you can say it's rainy season in my city now, or it's winter in my city now, or it's summer, it's fall in my city now. Anything. What season is it in your city now? It's dry season in my city now. One more time. What season do you like? I like fall. What do you like doing in the winter? I like skiing in the winter. Do you like monsoon season? Do you like monsoon season? Yes, I do, because the weather is cool and comfortable during the monsoon. Yes, I do, because the weather is cool and comfortable during the monsoon. No, I hate it. No, I hate it. It's so inconvenient. Inconvenient if you want to go out. No, I hate it. It's so inconvenient if you want to go out. 1, 2, you can say wanna if you want. If you want to go out. What season is it in your city now? What season is it in your city now? It's dry season in my city now. It's dry season in my city now. So that's all for today. Thanks. Goodbye. See ya.